Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 39 रेन एंड मार्टिन बुक हाई स्कूल ग्रामर से। टॉपिक है एक्टिव और पैसिव वर्ब्स। यहाँ दिया है नेम द वर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड टेल वेदर दे आर इन एक्टिव और इन पैसिव वॉइस। पहला है द कैट किल्ड द माउस। किल्ड एक्टिव। वी कंपेल्ड द एनिमी टू सरेंडर। कंपेल्ड active. The boy was bitten by a dog. Was bitten, passive. The thief was caught. Was caught, passive. The boy made a kite. Made, active. The ship was burned. Was burned, passive. The young man made a disturbance at the meeting. Made, active. The captive was bound to a tree. Was bound, passive. The bird was killed by a cruel boy. Was killed, passive. The sudden noise frightened the horse. Frightened, active. He is loved by all. Is loved, passive. The exhibition was opened by the governor. Was opened, passive. I see a dark cloud. See, active. His command was promptly obeyed. Was obeyed, passive. Some of the cargo had been damaged by the sea water. Had been damaged, passive. Nothing will be gained by hurry. Will be gained, passive. The dog chased the sheep. Chased, active. This letter was posted last night. Was posted, passive. The field is plowed. Is plowed, passive. The dog was teased by the boy. Was teased, passive. The cat drank all the milk. Drank, active. A stone struck me on the head. Struck, active. The old gentleman takes snuff. Takes, active. The money was lost. Was lost, passive. The letter has just been posted. Has been posted, passive. तो ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी जस्ट टू मार्क एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वर्ब्स। आपको अच्छी लगी? सब्सक्राइब करें आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।